That was amazing.
Can you say that one more time, please?
Absolutely amazing.
Thank you. You like that one?
Yeah.
Everybody likes that one a lot, don't they? Isn't that good? Now I really do feel like Mike Scott. You know, we keep on talking about this and going from Pagan Place and This Is the Sea to Fisherman's Blues and Room to Rome. You know, how he just kind of like completely changed his massive epic sort of sounding songs and suddenly he sort of went Irish, even though he's Scottish. I guess he can't play the bagpipe. I had bagpipes on one of my albums, you know that? On the song Forever. Oh, on this one as well. Oh yeah, shit. The guy who played the bagpipes on it was, I made the record in Sweden, Stockholm in Sweden, and we were walking through the streets of the city one day, and there was you can hear bagpipes from like 5 miles away, and we heard this noise. We walked up, and there was a guy in a kilt. You know, it's minus 20, and playing the bagpipes in the street. And I went up to him and introduced myself, and he really spoke like I said, "Hey man, that's great. Where are you from?" Duh. And he said, "It's great here, it's Scotland. You know what I mean? It's kind of, I've been travelling in Scandinavia, I've been in Germany for a wee while, now I'm going to come up from down here and see what you mean." And I said, "Great." And I said to him, "Well, I don't understand a word you said, but would you like to come and try and play on one of the tracks on an album that we're recording right now?" And I mean right now. His name was Tusker the Busker. Yeah. And he said, "Hey, all right, no problem, you know what I mean?" And so he, you know, of course, he had the bagpipes, he had the kilt, and he had a haggis on a leash. and he said to the haggis, "Come on there, boy, we're going to go to that stereo, And the haggis looked up and went, "Oh, okay." So we went into the studio, and one of the unfortunate things about the bagpipes is that they are in B flat. And guess what key the song was in? The solo just fitted perfectly. So we played the solo on this song, the one that I forgot that he played on, and he played on Forever as well. He didn't play on this one. He did. And the what? Which one? And you know, one of the things I find when I'm talking to people, you know, I can't make myself understood very well. Oh yeah. Okay, yeah, gotcha. Right. So I've got you know. They offered. Every time he played the bagpipes, he looked through the window of the booth, which we put him into record, and he was sitting there playing them, and I was looking at him, and he was doing this. He was like that, you know, winking at me every time he hit a note. He was just the most hilarious character. He was from Motherwell and lived with his mum. And I promised I'd send him a record, but I don't think I ever did. I really feel guilty about that. Anyway, dedicated to today, and because of the weather, this is a song we didn't play last night, for those of you who came last night. This is called, do I start it?
You start.
Oh, thank God. This is a song from... Rhyme? Is it from Rhyme? Okay, right. Imagine Frank Zappa when he was introducing a song. This is from the 87th album. Volume 2, yeah. Okay, this is Melody of the Rain. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Retreating mean to welcome rain. Oh my, it's here. It turns the trees to liquid green, encourages a glossy sheen upon the bark, and on the leaves is loud and clear. Taking coats from secret cupboards, gloves and scarves, large umbrellas, simple and peculiar to enjoy. Simple melody that hopefully won't ever go away. Splashing footsteps down the lane, bullets fill and then remain. Sparrows glad the bathtubs came, fluffed and clean. Grey electric, moody sky, clouds are low, but if I try to touch them, I can't reach that high. Still it teems so wild. World spinner, I turn and dance. Why have I done to earn this day? Simple and peculiar to enjoy. Simple melody that hopefully won't ever go away. And get me dry and sit me down right by the fire. I read a book and be inspired by favorite room. Mozart climbs into my head. I fell asleep, should go to bed. Music woke me from the dead. I hear home. Come on, you and John, open heart. The night run out into the dark.